What is Gucci, my people? It's your boy Grizzy, El-Sypheon, aka Big Boast Rig Roast. Today we have an interesting unboxing. We're gonna be unboxing the Marshall Major 3. Apparently it's got 30 hours wireless playtime. 30 hours is a big deal. But yeah, we're gonna be unboxing this together. I bought this for my wife as a gift, so hopefully she likes it. I think she likes the aesthetic aspect of things, but me, you know me. I like tech. Even though I'm not super technical myself, I'm pretty much average at best. If I do find a link for this, I will post this in the description so that you guys can see. I think there's currently a discount on it. But yeah, nevertheless, we're gonna hop onto the other side and unbox this and see what's inside. Before we hop onto the other side, guys, if you can, please, alsjeblieft, if you could, subscribe to the channel, like this video and share it. And if you already have this headset, please comment down below your experiences with this headset. Without further ado, let's jump onto the other side. Roll the intro.
Why Grizzy on production?
Okay, let's have a look. Take away my keyboard, and here we go. Let's have a look. Let's see. So, here's what it looks from the side. This is what it's saying here. 30 hours playtime, wireless playtime, custom tuned drivers, multi-directional, phone functionality, and it's able to collapse. We're off to a good start. So without further ado, let me grab a little knife. Okay, I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use something else. I have a better idea. This inside. All right. Let's knife this box. Okay, so I think slides out. Very nice. I like the packaging so far. And it's got this. Ooh, fancy. Let's have a look. This is what it looks like so far. Does feel alright, you know, to be honest. Does feel alright. Yeah, nothing too special. It's just a headphone. All right, let's see what's inside. Oh, you've got the aux cable, good old aux cable. I like this little swirly thing that's going on here. Gives a very cool aesthetic. And this, I believe, is the charger USB. Yep. Ah, even the cable is detailed. That's very nice. I like that. And that's the user manual. Nobody really reads this. But yeah, we're just gonna put that all back. We don't care about any of this. Now, let's get into the good stuff. Okay, slide that back in. So this is what the headphone looks like. That's what it is. Quality-wise, it seems okay. It's got this knob thing. That's the aux cable, that's the charger port. To be honest, it sits really well on my head. Yeah, that's about it. Hey, that was the unboxing. Now, let's give this a shot. Does this have an app? Wait. Yeah, apparently it has an app. Turn this on. Sits very well on my head, as you can see. Okay, it gave like a sound. Pretty good, to be honest. Wait, I'm gonna play one of my songs because no copyright. So I'm gonna play one of my songs. Ooh, the bass is actually good. So you can adjust the volume using the knobs. So I pressed the button twice and ended up calling with that. I like it. It's good. I think I'm gonna give this to my wife now so that she can enjoy her presence. But I think overall didn't break the bank. I would say aesthetically pleasing. Also, it's very nicely made. Yeah, that's my dad calling me back again because of the mistake that we made. So I'm gonna do that real quick. 1 second. Hello. Yeah, according to my dad, the microphone is crispy clear. So going back to what I was saying, very nicely made. It's compact, and apparently it has 30 hours of playtime. It looks nice. It's compact. It's not too big. It does the job. Quality is really good, by the way. I'm actually really surprised with the quality. And yeah, it's budget friendly, doesn't break the bank. It's trendy. It looks very nice. Overall, yeah, recommended. I'm very happy with this. Now, I'm yet to find out if the missus likes it. Hopefully this video is insightful, guys. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment your thoughts about this unboxing, and also if you already do have the headphone, please share your thoughts on the comment section down below. Share your experience, let us know how it's going for you. And without further ado, guys, this is Grizzy signing out. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Adios. Doodles.